Perplexity AI is really good inside n8n when you need real research, not just relying on AI memory. It can search the web, pull in up-to-date information and give you grounded answers with sources, which makes it perfect as a first step in an automation before you generate content or make decisions. You can use it when accuracy matters, like researching a local area before writing property posts, validating a business before sending outreach, or gathering facts and trends that you then pass into another AI to write a blog, an email, or a script. So used in this way, Perplexity turns n8n workflows from AI generated into genuinely research-driven systems. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how you can get that set up, how to set up your API and connect it into n8n. So we've got a couple of different ways that we can use Perplexity. We've got this messenger model. If you're looking to add any of these nodes, we can just search in the bar there. So we've got messenger model, and then the way I typically use it is inside an AI agent, and we connect it as a tool. When we click on that plus on tools, we can select Perplexity, and then inside the AI agent, we'd have a system prompt, and we can actually say use the Perplexity tool. So we make it use that tool. Anyway, I won't go into doing that. I've got some other example workflows where I'm using Perplexity and I've got the system prompts and it's being used. You can check that on my YouTube channel, and there's some templates as well if you head over there. So how do we set up the API? First thing you need to do, you need an account with Perplexity. So head over to Perplexity, create an account, and then once you've done that, click on account, go to API. One thing to note, you've got a lot of different API environments. So I've created this one as a demonstration. You will need to fill in your details on here. Once you've filled in your details, head over to API keys. You'll be able to create one because it wants that. One thing that's great about Perplexity is that you don't have to subscribe to a membership. You don't have to sign up to a monthly fee. You can just buy some credits. And what I found the research that I've been doing with this, it's very cheap. You can buy some credits to get you started, and then be able to click on generate an API key. You want to copy that API key and then head back over to n8n. And then in either of these, once you've got a Perplexity node up, you just click generate new credential, give it a name, paste in your API key, click save, and then hopefully you get the green banner saying that connection is successful. And that's it. You're then set up with Perplexity. You can start using it inside n8n. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. Hope you have a great rest of your day.